I'm David Quinn, Executive Vice President, Benhar Office Interiors. We're thrilled about the partnership with PurOptima. They're a globally leading glass wall partitioning company who has won multiple awards. What sets PurOptima apart is their focus on sustainability, structural integrity, and innovation. Their use of eco-friendly materials not only makes the product aesthetically pleasing, but also makes it friendly for the environment. PurOptima has an extensive range of performing products in terms of acoustics, as well as they have the lowest carbon footprint aluminum in the market. Whether it's a meeting room, open plan, or even a full interior fit out, PurOptima has the solutions to fit all of those different ranges within an environment. If you're considering architectural walls for your office, please reach out to Benhar Office Interiors. I'm sure PurOptima can meet your needs.